Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'd be telling you that how you can increase the performance of your laptop or computer. So if your computer is very laggy and you aren't able to complete your productivity tasks, so this might be a helpful video for you. So let's start with the first method. In the first method, you have to open your power and sleep settings, and there you'll get a drop down menu just like this and select best performance in it. For the second method, you have to go to appearance and performance settings and click OK, and then just choose best performance. For me, I'll choose let Windows decide as of yet. In the third method, you have to press Ctrl Shift plus Escape and then Task Manager will be opened. Here you have to go to Startup Apps and disable all the apps which are known to you. Just don't disable the Windows apps and the apps which you don't know. For the fourth method, you have to just remove files from your desktop. As you can see that I have removed, and a better place for the files to store would be the local disk. For the fifth method, you have to simply go to Storage Sense and here just turn this option on, and automatically your computer will remove all temporary files from your computer. And now let's move on to the sixth method. For the sixth method, you just have to press Window plus R and type %temp%, and then you'll have a list of files, and just press Ctrl A to select all of them and delete all of them. These all are temporary files and are of no use to us. So basically they'll clean the space and the computer will go faster. So guys, that was it for today's video, and if you have not yet subscribed my channel, subscribe it now for more important tech videos. Till then, bye bye, I'll meet you in the next one.